at this guy. What are you doing? Damn, speeding. Another one. A third one coming. Bam, bam, bam. Think they're late to work? It's like no signals, no fucks given. Like, watch, no signal. It's crazy. Oh, but you use the hazards. So you don't have signals, but you have hazards. Interesting. How about just go around? You know, these cars want to flash people and like, hey, move out my way. But like, how about you just go around? Like, obviously he's not moving, so like, what? Like, if you're that much in a rush, like, I don't have. Look, if I'm really in a rush, I don't have time to be flashing, staying behind people.